shaping the future of sustainability. From Switzerland, we have Dr. Ghazi Kablouti, Global Portfolio Sustainability Director at Hitachi Energy and founder of XRG Impact Management Advisory. Please put your hands together for Dr. Ghazi Kablouti. It is a gentleman, the ESG Excellence Award for his transformative work in consulting and education.
Thank you very much. Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to be with you. Thank you again for the Fluxx nomination committee. And as you know, this prize is dedicated to my family in Switzerland, in Tunisia. I even have my son with me, joining me tonight. So thank you, Yunus, for covering also the event with me. And to all my colleagues, to my students, I have one good news and one bad news for you tonight. So what date do we have today? June 5th. What the world is celebrating typically on June 5th? World Environment Day. So this is the good news. And what a coincidence to get an ESG Excellence Award on the World Environmental Day. At the same time, so let's celebrate our planet first. Yeah, thanks. At the same time, as we know, there are also a lot of bad news. The world is not, or the planet is not behaving well. So we have intensifying climate change impacts, we have accelerating loss of biodiversity, and we have also deepening social inequalities across the nations and across societies. So the ESG traditional framework that has been set to deliver didn't deliver the change that was needed to drive a transformative change for a better state of the world. My story is about driving an alternative ESG approach, a non-traditional ESG approach. It's an innovation-driven, it's a system thinking-based, innovative approach to drive the real change that is needed for the world. I have been acting as a speaker, as a corporate leader, as a lecturer, as business and engineering schools, and also as a senior advisor for helping building better businesses for a better world. Just believe in it, solutions are out there, and we are happy to support. Thank you very much, enjoy your evening, and congratulations to all of you.